So today we're going to take on this monkey, and hopefully we can get it going. So let's go. So the first thing I'm going to be looking to do is I'm going to do my best and first of all get the tree, because it's actually hanging on a tree. So it's I'm going to put that in first of all, and I'm going to put that just right here, somewhere around here, just the tree where the monkey is on. These are very light lines, so you can just put them very lightly. I'm doing it dark so you can see. So that's like the line for the tree. And the first thing that I'm going to do is to try and get the monkey's head. Now, that for me is mostly like a circle, but it's like there's a kind of like a rectangle, not a complete rectangle, inside the circle. It's just there, and also at the bottom some toes start showing. I think there's one here, there's another one here, and there's one there. Just little things like that, just that help it to look even more like the monkey. Right, so again, I'm going to darken some areas around it just to make sure it looks real. Everything I'm doing now are just bare details. Even on the tree, I'm gonna make some more textures on it just so it looks more realistic. But the bare bones of the whole drawing, what makes it look like a monkey and all that, we've been able to establish very early on by starting with the head and then getting the shape and the hand, then the back, then the foot, and everything like that. I always like to see shapes when I'm drawing. Every time it's all about the shapes. So I've got it into a mold. There's a little bit of, I can just show you this a little bit darker there, this part of the foot. And a nice bit of light on the tree would help. So it just creates more interest. That's good. That's good. That's good. And some light in the background, like holes, light pockets in the background, just to make it interesting. Light pockets in the background, just to make it look interesting. There's some light pockets in the background because it's all effects of light. And then here, just to show the contrast from that tree, we can lighten the edges. And I think we are almost there. I'm gonna make this area dark so we can see that head properly. And voila! I think we've done it again. We've done this one. I'm just gonna darken this at the bottom. Then soften it. Darken but soften it. I don't want it to be harsh. Only strong thing is the monkey and the tree in the middle.